He's like, what do you got, like 10 guys coming tomorrow? And I'm like, 120.
Calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different.
We had this project actually planned for last year. COVID hit, literally planning this project for almost 2 years now. So we're actually going to be flipping a house in one day.
Like I'm on my tiptoes, baby. You think a little too small. I got big goals, baby. Ain't where the money at. Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it and split it with my kinfolk.
Ooh, there's a gas can. This garage is going. It's pretty much at the end of its useful life, so I'm gonna rip her down and give it some new purpose for the church. 30 minutes, man. That's how long it took to knock that thing down almost. It's gonna be a cool view with that barn back there and the silo once we get that garage out of there. That's the original barn, silo, and chicken coop. Here's all our paint. We're gonna completely gut this. We got about an hour to get this entire kitchen and flooring out of here before the kitchen guys come in to start putting it back together. The way we broke this project up is we broke the entire house and property into like 10 different categories. We've got a leader for each floor. So we have one leader leading like this entire main floor. We have one leader fixing up the upstairs, one leader fixing up the basement, one on the exterior, and then one on miscellaneous projects and overflow. So we've taken the different leaders and said, okay, as volunteers come here, you're in charge of making sure your floor gets done that day. So we got our appliances are here, couches out of here, get the flooring out. This bathroom needs to be completely fixed up in here, a brand new furnace, and we're putting in a brand new AC. In order to flip a house in one day, we are actually going to be starting at 7:30, 8 o'clock, demoing the kitchen. By 9 o'clock, an hour later, the cabinets are being re-put in. Probably gonna be 120 people here. There's just no way you can flip a house in one day without having all of them on board, having a giving spirit and helping out. It's gonna be super exciting to kind of see what they get out of the project and then ultimately how it helps the church. And it's not only a project that you just do once and it's kind of done. This is a project that once we've completed it, for generations, it's gonna help the church, and people can use this house for those purposes. In 30 minutes, we got the entire kitchen ripped out. All the demos happening. They have the house almost completely demoed.
We're cleaning up this garage. I took that down with my bare hands yesterday.
Tearing everything out of the house. Old furnaces, wood furnaces, furniture, flooring.
We are on yard duty here.
I'm the team leader for the chicken coop. We have been clearing it out. First we started outside and we cleared all the debris, brought it to the side of the road. And now we're working on the inside. After that, we're going to paint the exterior and just spruce it up a little bit, help the church out, and just make it look a little bit better than it does now.
All the landscaping is almost done. Kitchen's almost done. So hopefully we'll be installing appliances after lunch and then finishing that flooring all the way through the first floor. The garage is almost completely cleaned up. We are hoping that everything is 90% wrapped up by about 5 o'clock with some of the miscellaneous things that we have to do once most of the volunteers are gone. And that is hopefully going to be the completion of the project.
Chicken coop is coming along. So far, we took out everything out from inside of it. We took out a lot of the windows, so about half the windows are out of there. And currently, we are painting the exterior. This was full of stuff. This had all kinds of wood and old, barn items, chicken coop items. All of these windows are being replaced. We got them all out of here. It's very dusty, but now we're working on the upstairs. There's a lot of hay, as you can see.
Maybe mom and dad were right when they told me this wouldn't be nothing. Maybe I should take their advice, go get a life, maybe get a job or something. Pack it up and head back home, tell everybody I was bluffing.
To be able to come and help and make a difference in other people's lives is very rewarding.
It's a great team building exercise for us to come together as a family, as a team.
It's just our way of being able to take one day away from the business, away from everything, and just dedicate it back to giving to our community.
Anything that we can do to give back, certainly we always do, because the community's been very good to us over the last 6 years.
I feel it's important as we represent selling homes and to have this amazing chance to come in and help the church out to put a house back together to help their members, the community. It's a great experience.
It's Red Day. This is what we do. Everybody's going in all different directions, trying to get as much done as we can in one day.
It's great that we get to use our talents and our time to serve God and to honor Him in this way, and it's awesome to be able to do this for the church, and hope we can do another one.
Man, it's just been a great day giving back, and that's what it's all about.
A lot of great people here today giving up their time. From Keller Williams, I think we even had some clients that joined some of the agents that came out today, and other helpers, obviously skilled workers too, that gave of their time. And it's been just a really great day today.
Very grateful. Oh my gosh, we had probably, I don't know, 100, 120 people here, and there's no way this project would have ever happened if it wasn't for all the giving hearts of the people that we get to work with every day. Right now I'm coming off like a total high because it was just crazy, and realizing how tired and sore I am already, but this entire project and the volunteers, man, the things that they did to get this thing done to where it is right now, it's pretty crazy to think about it all happening in one day. So very grateful, feel very blessed to be a part of it, and it'll be fun to see once it's all done.